Most people think that starting a real business takes a ton of money. But what if I told you that with only $5,000, you can start a business that exists on every city, has almost no competition, and can make you $7,000 every single week? And that's how I started. No investors, no fancy branding, just a small truck, some tools, and a fitness equipment installation business that replaced my 9-to-5. In this video, I'll break down what this business actually is, what's the cost to get it started, how soon you're gonna get your investment back, and why this is one of the easiest service businesses to get started. And at the end of this video, I'll show you my report of how much I made this week. Every time someone buys fitness equipment, it could be a treadmill, an elliptical, a cable machine, you name it, someone has to deliver it, assemble it, and make sure it was built safely. So what you must understand is that manufacturers that make the equipment, they do not want to install it. The retailers that also sell the equipment, they don't want to assemble it. And most gym owners, they just simply don't want to deal with it. So what do? They outsource the service to installation companies like mine. And that's the entire business. You are the person that has to show up with a truck, build the equipment properly, and leave the gym ready to use. Now that you know what this business is, I'm gonna tell you what you need to get started and how much it'll cost you. Here is the breakdown. For tools, you will need an impact drill, a wrench set, a socket set, Allen keys, blankets, a 4-wheel dolly, a ratcheting strap, and a hand truck. And all of this together should add up to about $500. Now for the vehicle. If you want to find a used moving truck for $4,500, that would be perfect. But the way I did it, I went straight to the dealer. I financed a 4-year-old moving truck. They asked me to put a deposit of $4,500. And if you put together the deposit plus how much I spent in tools, that is gonna give you a grand total of $5,000, and that's what you need to start this business. And the crazy part about this business, how quickly it pays for itself. Now, if you're installing a home gym with, let's say, 3 pieces, that might take you half a day to a full day to fully install it, you might be charging somewhere between $800 to $1,200. If you're installing a small commercial gym, that might take you from a day to 2 days to install, you will be charging somewhere between $2,000 to $3,000. If you're installing a mid-sized condo, hotel gym, that is gonna take you somewhere between 3 days to 5 days to install, you're gonna be charging somewhere between $4,000 to $8,000. And if you're installing a massive gym, that is gonna take you somewhere between 5 days to 10 business days, you're probably gonna be charging somewhere between $9,000 or $20,000 plus. If you start slow and you do 1 install a week, in about a month, you will have paid off your full investment. Here's why this is one of the easiest service businesses to get into. Number 1, you do not need special skills. If you follow instructions, you know how to use basic tools, and you can move equipment safely, you can probably learn this trade in about a week or 2. Number 2, you can start part-time. Most home installs happen on weekends, so you don't need to quit your job to begin with. Number 3, there is almost no competition. Most cities have like hundreds of gyms and only 1 or 2 companies installing them. Number 4, most equipment stores need reliable installers. Remember, retailers don't have time to install and deliver gym equipment. So if you're consistent and professional, they will send you work over and over again. As I promised, guys, this is my income for running this exact business this week. As you can see, just this week I completed 6 paid jobs, and my total for the week is $8,354. So if you want a real business that doesn't require a massive investment or complicated skills, this is one of the easiest ways to get started. And if you want to keep seeing how this business really works behind the scenes, hit subscribe, follow along, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.